Hello, everybody. Space Cyber Boss, and sorry for the stream I had last time. StarCraft would just not work, so I came up with a new idea. Why not make an OS in Visual Basic? I mean, I've already made a couple. I made one, and I thought I should share this with you guys. So we're gonna do that. So we're just gonna start a new project. Load Visual Basic. There it is for you guys. So it's just going to be a form, and we'll call it YouTube OS. OS. Okay, so let's get this ready. Now, this may not be the best way to do it, but it's the way I'm doing it, so post in comments if you think you have a better idea. Come on, load. Load. Hold on, guys. Alright, we're back. Sorry about that. I had an interruption. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take this form, and what you're going to do is you're going to go over to where you're going to go to your control panel, and you're going to figure out what resolution your screen is. If you know that by heart, you know that by heart. But right now, I'm just looking up my screen resolution, and we'll go here. We'll go down to the settings down here. We'll find the size. We'll just get rid of this, and my screen resolution right now is 128 or 1280, but 124. And there we go. We got that form, and that's all we're gonna need. Is we can just come here and copy that. Then we're gonna rename this. We're gonna call it desktop. File extension is unusual. Oh, sorry about that. We're just gonna go desktop. You want to leave the VB at the end. Alright, there we go. So we'll just edit this a little bit. We're gonna make it go down here. You gotta make. I always have a hard time finding this. And we need to find the borders. Find the borders. There we go. Sizable. We want none. So now it has no borders. And I'm actually going to find a background. I have a background that I use for almost all of mine that I use. So if we go down here, just background, import. And we'll go down to my pictures. Put this one. There we go. It looks nice. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go down to the bottom, and we're going to go to the toolbox, and we're going to add, try to figure out where to put this. Okay, yeah, we can put you right there. We can put me right there. So we'll go to the toolbox, and we need a panel. So we have a panel. Make it bigger, obviously. Alright, so it's bigger now. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it at the bottom down here. Like so. And we're going to run it all the way across down the bottom of this. So this is going to basically be the taskbar. And we just go lift this up a little bit. So just like that. Okay, and we'll give this a give it a color so it looks different. There we go, I like that color. Now we need to make a button. Alright, we got a button. So we'll just go. You gotta call this start. Call it start. And we'll go down to uh-oh. Hold on. So we're gonna refresh. Someone just sent me a Skype message. They need help fixing this. It won't work for them, I guess. So that needs to go there. So we got our start button here. We're going to call it start. Properties would do. Oh, that's a name. No, we want to go down to the text. Yeah, my mistake. We'll call it start. And I have to have caps. There. Alright, so we got my start button and our start button. And we're gonna go up, we're gonna change the back color. No, we're gonna change the back. You know what? We'll actually change the fore color to that. Nah, I don't like that. That button face highlighted. And just go to button face and you just gotta redo this text. Oh, that's the, okay, I get it. That's that. Alright, so now we do need to change this. So, control dark. There we go. That was a lot harder than what it should have been. Alright, so now we just need to go back and we gotta make a new panel. Resize it up a little bit. We gotta bring it over here. And just line it up with that. Doesn't have to be perfect, but for me, I have to make it perfect. Alright, there we go. That's perfect enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the desktop, double click desktop. And it should load this up. Yeah, okay. So when it starts up, we want panel 2 dot hide. Hit enter. Alright, so now we got that done. We want to go to the start button. And we want on click panel 2 dot show. Alright, so there we go, there's that. So now what we need to do is we need to copy this. And we're going to put it right about there. So that is part of the panel. It has to be part of the panel else it won't work. Alright, so I'm going to change this to red because this is going to be our shutdown button. So we're just going to go to web over here. Make it that color? No. Maroon. Too dark. Yeah, well, okay, that will work. And we'll just call it shut down. So now we just gotta click this on click application dot exit. And get rid of these two brackets if you have them. So now let's run the program. Ah, nuts. Okay, hold on. I did something wrong. So let's just skip. And task. Stop debugging. Yep. And now we just gotta open up this. Exit out of that. I gotta go to my control panel and fix something, guys. Hold on. Hope this doesn't like break. So if we go to appearance and personalization, adjust screen resolution. I just gotta make this my main display. Make main display. Apply. Okay. Okay. Stop now. Alright. Oh, please don't tell me it's gonna exit. Alright. Ah, dang it. Alright. That's a known bug with vituialBasic that I've recently found. Now we're just gonna go open YouTube OS. You shouldn't. If it did that, it should just save everything as you had. Okay, sweet. So now we have application. So now if we run this. Run the program, it launches. Alright, you see down here we have a little start button. You click it, brings up this. See? It shuts down the program. Now it looked a little distorted. So we have some problems with this. Alright, I gotta open my control panel again. See, this is, when it comes to making an OS, there's a lot that has to do with it. That's why I'm doing multiple things at a time. So, just gotta go here. I gotta redo these. 1, 280. Oh, God, no. 1, 280 by. And we'll do 1024. Alright, so now if we go down here, this should be a little off, yeah. So we'll just drag that. Bring it down a little bit. No, what the heck? Okay, so now we have that set up. So now if we run this, hold on. Okay, now it looks better. You can come over here. I got that. You hit start, brings up the start menu. Yeah, exit out of that. I just got rid of that, guys. So now we just need to go in here. So we need to do load. We need to do a click feature. Click, unclick, panel to dot hide. So now if we run this, we hit here, we click over here, it's normal OS. Deep, nickel. We'll shut that down. So now I have this. So, we did. Ooh, what was that about? A little refreshing. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to do, so we're gonna copy that, Paste it there. And this is going to be like a notepad. So we'll just call it note. And what we need to do is we need to go up here, right click, add. Sorry about that. We need to go up here, add, and then Windows Form. And it needs to be Windows Form. So now if we go here, just make this as big as we want. It really doesn't matter. All you need to do is add a new text document. And in a later video, I'll show you guys how to. Oh, what is this? This isn't a text document, is it? Sorry about that. So now we just gotta go to rich text document, text box, not document. So we just make this as big as this, like so, and we just call it down here at the name. Should have a name. No, font. We'll have to find. Want it to be called note. There we go. And now if we go to desktop, and we go to note, we want to be on click form 1. Yeah, 1 dot show. There we go. So there's that. And then again, we want to go to desktop, on click form 2 dot hide. What's up with this? I got an error. Yeah, that was my bad. Now if we launch this, launch the program. You see we have a start menu. You click start. Brings up notepad, basically. You can type. And we get rid of it. And then if we hit that, we click that, we should be able to bring it back up. It doesn't. Alright, so there's still quite no, that's not what we want. We want it to be on click, so all we have to do is take this and cut it, and up here paste it. And there we go. So now we just want that. So, and also we need to go to the form 1, and we're actually going to make our own button for this. So we go up to, I think, yeah, form borders, none, and all we need to really do is actually make the background color different color. There we go. And then we go here, we go button. Doesn't have to be very big. Just has to hold an X. So now we have an X. You just click here and just do form 1. Actually, I think no, it's me.hide. Okay. Alright, so now if we go here, start, note, note, we hit that, exits us out of it, and we can bring it back up. Click there, makes it hide, you bring it back up. So that's that. Next thing I'm going to show you how to make is a browser. Yes, you heard me right, your own browser. And it's not hard. I mean, you probably shouldn't, unless you have really good skills. I wouldn't suggest using this as like a public browser. I mean, if you're using it for fun. I mean, if you know how to use vituialBasic and you're just watching this for fun, then go right ahead. But particularly, I wouldn't suggest it. So now we just need to go to this. Again, copy, paste, and we'll just go view browser. See, there's kind of a theme with you. I just kind of came up with it. So now we just need to go here. So this is where it gets a little complicated. So we just need to add Windows Form, like we did, Windows Form. We need to make this. We need to go to desktop, design, that, the form. We need to copy this. We need to copy this. So we copy. We need to go to form, to design, and we'll call it. We need this. We don't need borders. None. We need to change the background color to active caption. I just prefer active caption. And then we need to call this. We need to go to here. Take that and do that. So we'll paste that in, and there we go. And we hit enter. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get a new panel. Drag it in there. Make sure it's not that color, and we'll just make it that. And then you need to go down to dock and make it the top. Now, it doesn't matter how big your dock is. Just make sure you can hold buttons on it. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a button. And we'll copy it, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, we can delete one. So, we just set them up here. Actually, don't need that one. We don't need that one. So this one, this button, is going to be this. This button's going to be this. Huh? Yeah. Sorry, this button's going to be this. This one's going to be refresh. Refresh. And then this one's going to be go. Next thing you're going to need is a text box. Make it go all the way over to there. The next thing you're going to need, is a web page. So if you should be, you just gotta look a little bit, and I think I passed it multiple times. Web browser. And like I said, make that size. Maybe, oh yeah, I think it has an anchor somewhere. we just need to go to that. So what we need to go here is we need to do web browser. What? Web browser. I keep screwing that up. Go back. Web browser 1. It has to be 1 or smaller. Go forward. What we need for that one. Refresh. Need web browser 1. Web browser 1. Refresh. And then this is where it's complicated. I gotta remember. I might have to look it up because I gotta remember if I remember out of this. I think that's it. I don't have any errors, so that's good. So now if we go to form, we go to the desktop, Moon browser, form 2 show, and we just gotta go to the desktop. And actually, we gotta make an X. We gotta add one more button. So yeah, I did have use for the extra button I made. Button, and we'll just go down to an X, give it an X. Does not have to be pretty. Alright, so now if we run this, shouldn't have any errors. Alright, it's building and built. Okay, we don't have any errors. So if we go to Chrome browser, it launches this, and it should bring us straight to Google. There we go. Because we set it up so it brings us straight to Google. So now you're at Google, and I think this should work. www.youtube.com. Go. And it should bring us to YouTube. Yes, it does. Haha, it worked. I remember. So that's how you make a basic web browser. And that's basically how you make an OS. And you couldn't like upload this to a computer and then boot it. We have a situation here. I'll just set that over there. Okay, well we have a situation. The X button's not working. Great. All I have to do. Okay, I am so sorry about that. My encoder died. Like literally, that's what it said. I actually have to go over and check, make sure it's still up. We still streaming? Okay. Okay, so sorry about that. We have to just fix this button. Then we forgot to add the button, so we just do form 2. Or no, it's me. No. Yeah, it is. Form 2.hide. Maybe it is me? Yeah, okay. Me dot. Man, I'm just screwing this all up, ain't I? There we go. And we launch it. And we go to Boom browser. Brings us straight to google.com. We go up to the X, exits out of it, and go back to it, exits out of it. Click there, it should bring it back up. Yep. And we have a browser. So you can take this any way you really want to. I mean, you can do anything with it. It's quite an amazing tool, what it is. Really amazing. It's how you start like a basic browser, or not a browser, how to start a basic OS. And the next thing we're going to do is, you can make like a startup screen where you have to boot the OS. And this is where it gets complicated, where I'm going to have to pull up a couple things to remember, because I did it on another one, and I'll have to pull up to remember. So, we'll save it. No, I'll just do a basic boot up screen. So we'll just go, no, what did I click? No, add. User form. Right, there we go. So now we just, again, go down here. It won't let me for some reason. So, yeah. There we go. Paste that in. Okay, so basically what we need to do here is what I like to do. We just need to take the borders off. Alright, we just gotta take the borders off. None. We got no border, and we want the background to be black. Doesn't really matter, I'll just do that for now. So what we need to do is we need to grab a progress bar. I can find one. There we are. No. That's not right. It's a background worker. Processes. Progress bar. There it is. We just grab a progress bar. And we go to the bottom of this. Alright, now this is going to take me a second, because now I'm going to have to go to Open vituialBasic. I have to open. Again, I am sorry about that. If I get too many things launched on this at one time, it will bug out. So I'm just going to pull this over here. So, okay. I gotta remember how this thing works. Okay. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to add a timer. If I can find it. Where are you, timer? You might have to open up a couple of things. So we got timer, so I just open it like this. And what we'll do is we'll do if progress bar 1 equals prog. I always spell that wrong. maximum, then timer 1.stop. What's wrong with this? Oh, forgot the dot value here. Dot value. Stop. Timer 1.stop. And then we want, and what we'll do is hold on, we gotta figure out what form this is. What form are you? So your name is start. Start dot it's gotta be like form 1. What is the name of you? Alright, so that's now form 0. Okay, there we go. We got this set up. So now if we just do form 0 dot show. What we need to do here is we'll actually need to add a button. Now this part is primarily for show. If this isn't really an OS, it's really just for fun. If anything, I guess if you wanted to, you could boot it up into a thing, but you wouldn't work at all, and you'd break your machine unless you went back in and you did all the stuff you need to do to make it work. Boot.os. So on that, finish this up because stuff is happening. So just do timer 1.start. There we go. That's all we need. So now, oh yeah, I forgot. We gotta go here into we gotta go to my project. Sorry. And we want form 3 to start up, to be the startup. So now if you run it, it should bring up form 3. No, we have a build error. Where? Hold on. Oh. I don't have an equal there. Equals. What is going on here? Raw progress bar 1. Alright, so it should work now. Okay, let's see if this thing works. Boot OS. And it doesn't. Close window. And this form still isn't right. On size wise. Paste. Hit enter. And I'm missing something. Oh, yeah. dot increments. You gotta do dot increments, and then we just do 1, 1, and we gotta find the progress bar. So now if we run this, OS, there we go, and it launches this. It does the progress bar, boots the OS. Once it's done, it brings you to this. And from here you can do shutdown. And you can add like other stuff to it if you really feel the need to. Like if we go over, like bring this down here, bring this over, and we launch this one, which is the OS that I've been working on. This is the final project for what you can really do with it. So we have version 1.0, and actually, yeah, okay, hold on, I gotta clean installation. I go back to my control panel because it only runs on this resolution, so that's how I set it up. And we'll just go here, make sure it's still running correctly. And actually, what we need to do is we need to go. Oh no! Ow, my back. Monitor 1. And then go settings, encoding, video, and you want monitor 1. Apply. Okay. So we just go here, we just gotta go make this make main display, apply, does all this stuff, and we hit OK. So, you still operational? Okay, so now if we launch this, oh, hold on, again, something wrong. What is that about? So let's see what happens if we run this. Oh, it works. Okay, so we boot SciTech OS, and it launches the stuff, and actually, I'll just gotta edit this and bring myself. Oh, oops, sorry about that. And it says RAM checked, memory checked, and it does all this checking for us. Graphics loading, and it loads main files. And it keeps loading the main files, and loading until it gets done. And this is basically what our basic OS can do, or what mine can do. Sorry. And it's done, and we do user create, and it brings up this create thing, and we should do cyber, create account. It says created account, and if we do say like dot and CCC, it's not correct, it says incorrect username or password. We do cyber login, brings you to this page. With all this, we have a time, we have like an icon over here. We have start, brings up my start menu, which has control panel, shutdown, CyberNote. This is what my CyberNote looks like. You can you have save, all those features, all that kind of stuff. Cyber browser, this is what this one looks like. And basically that's really all of it. So our stream's coming down to an end, guys. I'd like to thank you a lot for watching. Thanks for this tutorial. I had fun doing it. This is probably going to be the last live stream I do in my home, in this house right now. So thank you guys for being here while I was going through a hard time. Keep the cyber, guys.